Welcome to Luca Drive Channel. In this video we tell you about our Alfa Romeo GTV 2-liter twin spark. We have already made a stock video of the car which you can find on the Luca Drive Channel. The title of this video is We bought probably the most cheapest Alfa Romeo GTV. We bought the car at the beginning of 2024 and the car was in a very poor technical and visual condition. Some voices from the community wrote in the stock video that we should resell the car in the purchased condition, but we still decided to refurbish the vehicle. In this video we take you with us and show how we restored the vehicle's appearance. Vacuum cleaning, shampooing, polishing, sanding and painting were all part of our job. It took a lot of time and patience to refurbish the vehicle, but we learned a lot and really enjoyed it. Especially the polishing of the dull red paint gave us great pleasure and provided the wow effect. But watch the video to the end for yourself and come along on the journey of car preparation. Wow, the car looks great now. Technically, the car was repaired and the timing belt and water pump were replaced. A major service was carried out and the idle speed regulator was replaced. The car now drives very well and many people rave about the shape of this beautiful Alfa Romeo GTV. The car is not a museum vehicle and there are still a few minor repairs to be made, but we have tried to achieve the best end result at low cost, which we believe has been successful. What is your opinion about the final result of the vehicle? Please write it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Luca Drive Channel. Thanks!